In Organon of Medicine, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann explains in Aphorism 22 to 27 the most fundamental principle of homeopathy, the law of similars, expressed in the Latin phrase Similia, Similibus, Curentur, meaning like cures like. In Aphorism 22, three methods of treatment. Hahnemann describes that there are three possible methods of treating the disease. First, homeopathic method, curing by medicine that produce similar symptoms. Second one, antipathic method, treating by medicine that produce opposite effects. Third one is the allopathic method, treating by medicine that produce different or unrelated effects. Among these three, Hahnemann states that the homeopathic method is the most natural and effective. In Aphorism from 23 to 24, where he says about true and natural method of cure. Here, Hahnemann explains that the homeopathic method based on similarity of symptoms is the true, gentle and reliable method of healing. When a medicine is capable of producing symptoms similar to the disease is given in the appropriate dose, it stimulates the vital force and removes the natural disease. In Aphorism 25 to 26, the principles of similarity. Here he says, these aphorisms clearly states that a stronger artificial disease produced by the medicine can remove a weaker natural disease if both are similar in symptoms. This is why a remedy that produces symptoms similar to the patient's condition can effectively cure the disease. In Aphorism 27, superiority of the homeopathic method. Here, Hahnemann concludes that the homeopathic method is superior to other methods of treatment because it follows a natural law of healing and works gently with body's vital force. Now we will see the concluding part. Thus, from Aphorism 22 to 27, which establish the central law of homeopathy, that is the law of similars. This principle forms the scientific and philosophical foundation of homeopathic practice, then guiding physicians in selecting the remedies that closely match the patient's symptoms to achieve the true and lasting cure. Thank you.